Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you along with us to a tasty gem called Don Sirloin. Don Sirloin is a chain restaurant that locals usually go to. This isn't the only location in Playa del Carmen, but this particular location is next to the famous El Fogon. So grab a mini drink and a snack and sit back and stay tuned for our video of Don Sirloin. Dave and Rose Travels, make sure you're subscribed so you can see future content. Maybe hit that like button and notification bell. For the past week, we had been staying in Playa del Carmen at a hotel that is centrally located called HM Playa del Carmen. Due to the HM Playa del Carmen central location, you are in the middle of many yummy, tasty restaurants. Wait a second, if you haven't seen our last video, where we take you on a night walk away from the ocean further into CENTRO Playa del Carmen to eat at a tasty gem of a restaurant called El Chuletón. El Chuletón has many meats that they serve along with frijoles charros, fresh limonada.
I believe this is a
We definitely recommend this restaurant, and we hope if you go to Playa del Carmen that you go to El Chuletón. So make sure you watch that video. It's a must-see. And here we are continuing on our walk to Don Sirloin. You will notice in the video to your left that there is the Mega Soriana. That is the grocery store that we took you along with us to a couple of videos ago. The Mega Soriana is also where we bought our tasty Mexican snacks that we also had in another video about eating tasty Mexican snacks. And like that, we have arrived at Don Sirloin. Don Sirloin, located Avenue Constituyentes, Calle 25 Norte, close to El Fogon. It's located right next to El Fogon to be exact. And with the 4.2 rating, this place is also considered a gem in Centro Playa del Carmen. Don Sirloin is literally a 3 to 5 minute walk from HM Playa del Carmen, the hotel that we are staying at currently while in Playa del Carmen. This particular location of Don Sirloin is one of only many locations throughout Mexico. In Playa del Carmen alone, there's about 3 or 4 Don Sirloins.
next day.
Make sure you're subscribed so you can see our next video. Playa del Carmen, Mexico, at a glance. This is going to be a crazy fun video to make, so it should be fun to watch as well. So make sure you're subscribed, because subscribing is the way to see future content. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the future content has been put out. Maybe give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. We love comments. I'm pretty sure I only have a couple videos to put out that are left from Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So make sure you're subscribed, because after those couple of videos, we will be on our way to CANCÚN, Mexico, and stuff goes down because I get really sick.